Instead of a collection of digital components assembled in response to changing needs, enterprises can plan and build a robust digital backbone and be one step closer to a comprehensive digital transformation. It is the necessary but challenging journey of operating digital-first businesses to be able to move with the speed and nimbleness to change or introduce new products and experiences, and rapidly exploit technology to create lean operations and free people to do more complex tasks that create value. While countless factors influence transformation success or failure, you believe you can judge how well a program will go by how closely it aligns internal resources with market opportunities and available tools and systems. So, use your social media channels and email and search engines to track consumer engagement so it can be used for your sales segment. Also, your organization can introduce an automated process that can improve your flexibility and consistency while also reducing costs and hassle. By deploying digital transformation solutions, you can ensure your company is primed to respond quickly to customer demands and market opportunities, create more opportunities for open innovation, and even uncover lucrative ideas through digital hackathons. Lower your investment costs by moving all or part of your digital transformation requirements into the cloud. Digital transformation prioritizes digital transformation opportunities regardless of industry, market, and geography, and nearly every business on the globe has been touched by technological change. Furthermore, new data sources and the spread of real-time data analysis are leading to increased interest in optimizing human and electronic processes. Integrating new technologies and solutions can fundamentally alter how your organization operates, and due to the fast-moving nature of technology, it also means continuous effort is necessary to compete. Technology is a critical enabler in how organizations perform, and how many organizations are actively looking for a process of digital transformation to help streamline operations, improve efficiencies, enable their workforces, and boost competitive advantage. Thereby, the skills that will help leaders shepherd the digital transformation of your business, a growth mindset, communication and influence, the ability to navigate innovation and change, and effective collaboration, will have to be critical to the success of your digital future. Employers have different knowledge levels on technology, so the more the employers get involved, the better advocacy and knowledge. Every transformation project calls for an understanding of the risks from your organization's impact point of view, and it must also have clear strategies for if things go wrong. As well as this, in a digital transformation, you reinvent your organization through digital technology to improve the way it performs and serves your customers. Similar technologies fundamentally alter how you make decisions, because your wealth of information helps unlock new insights. As you move on discussing the mobile-first digital transformation, you will understand the vitality of keeping a mobile-first approach at the forefront of digital transformation. Similarly, when you are bringing in digital technology and removing outdated processes, you may be picking and choosing which pieces of your existing technology can stay and which should go. From your consultants designing solutions to best suit your business needs, through to your deployment experts implementing them worldwide, to your customer service, support, and management teams who keep everything running optimally, to equipping your office to meet your employees' changing needs and expectations, you will need to reevaluate how your space is organized and the services and software you rely on to keep your office running smoothly. Although technology implementation is a vital part of the process, long gone are the days when organizations can delegate digital plans to a single organization. A methodical and reasoned approach to digital transformation will help enterprises mitigate risk, best serve customers, and drive profitable revenue. Want to see how your digital transformation processes are performing? Find out more with our Digital Transformation Self-Assessment Toolkit, which you can find at store.theartofservice.com/digital transformation toolkit.